Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another video, and it's been a while. Did you guys miss me? Because I know I missed you. So today we have some hair that we need to install. But first, let's go over the hair. Today we have some hair that I need to put in and install. So I'm really excited to get into that. But first, we're gonna go over the specs. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we have some hair from Miss 2. It's on Amazon. I'm really excited to see what's inside. First impressions, I love the packaging already. Like, do you see the heart? Too cute. But yeah, I don't want to ramble too much. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's inside. So this is what's inside. We have our bundles on top. This is one, and then this is two, but we have three bundles. I'll show you guys in 1 second. And these are the goodies. If you've ever seen one of my other hair unboxing videos, then you know I love the goodies. So let's go ahead and get to the goodies that they sent me. So first we have a claw clip, and I just feel like as a girl you can never have too many and they break all the time, so well needed, well needed. I have this comb, and it has a lot of separation within the teeth. I don't own a comb like this, so thank you, Miss Tool. I will add this to my collection. Next, I absolutely love any hair company that sends you wig caps because you need the protective caps, and sometimes you just forget about it at the hair store, so I love that they always include these. Now we have one more, and I see cheetah print, so I'm excited. Like, what is this? Is it a scarf, a bonnet, what? It looks like a bonnet. Oh, okay, it's one of those really long bonnets. I actually really appreciate this, so when I install the hair doesn't have to get scrunched up in like a traditional bonnet. So it's really long. I like this a lot. And I feel like if you eventually get like braids or something, it's like multi-use, but I love this. Like, thank you, Miss 2. Now I feel like my bundles ain't gonna be like scrunched up and have that like crease in it. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that little crease that your hair gets when you put it in the regular size bonnet. So yeah, now we got the extendo version. Thank you, Miss 2. Okay, now we're gonna get into what y'all really came here for, which is the hair. I know some of y'all be real impatient to get to the point, but I have to see what the goodies is first things first. But let's go ahead and get into the bundles. These are our bundles. I love the packaging. I think it's so cute with the blue ribbons on it. So in my hands, we have 3 bundles. Miss 2 sent me a 18, 20, and 22 inch of Cambodian body wave hair. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging so we can see what it's really giving. I've taken out one of the bundles so far, and so far so good. I really love the texture. It's really soft. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue taking all of them out. Okay, so now that I have unboxed and undone all the hair, this is what we're left with, the 3 bundles. And as you can see, that body wave silhouette, it's real bouncy, she's soft. And then let's give her a shake. I love to watch hair move, so got some movement. It's real nice. Okay, so that's texture, super soft coming out of the packaging. And then a lot of people inquire if there's a smell, so let's give it a test. It honestly just has like that hair smell. It's not bad, or it's not like too chemical type of smell, but it just smells like hair. I can't explain it to you, but yeah, y'all know what hair smells like. But yeah, it's not a bad smell at all. It's not overbearing. Like, I wasn't able to smell it, you know, from afar. You gotta like sniff it to really get that scent. But yeah, it doesn't really have like that super chemical harsh scent that some hair typically does. So I'm putting my fingers through it, and these are all 3 bundles, and it's going straight through, literally straight through. And as I'm going towards the end, I'm not getting any strands. Oh, there's one strand. Make sure we don't have nothing on our fingers, and we're gonna do it again. And I'm just trying to see if there's any strands. Again, there's just one. So far so good. I feel like you can't really tell though until you start actually wearing the hair like long term, but yeah, like when it's actually on your head, then I feel like you can tell if it's like real shedding or not, like on a day-to-day basis. I really like Miss Two hair, and I'm really excited to wear it and put it in my head. So that'll be the next part of this video, is where I'll actually install this for y'all and we'll see it in all its glory. I'm super excited. I've been rocking this little bun and I'm excited to have some hair, baby. Something to flip, something to swing, you know? So make sure you stay tuned, because we're about to switch gears and go ahead and lay this baby down and glue these tracks in, okay? Now that we have the foundation kind of laid, or the cap and everything, it's time to start putting the hair on. Of course, we're gonna start with the 22" in the back, so this is her. I can't wait to start assembling. Okay, so I'm officially done installing everything, and I went ahead and did my little leave out and my baby hairs for tonight. I think I'm gonna go back in tomorrow and do some layers in the front, specifically like right here, and then give it a good curl and actually like style it. But for now, let me show you what time it is. And look what time it is. It's so late. Like, it's time to wrap it up for right now. I'm tired. I'm done. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Side part action, because I just had a middle part for a really long time. So we're gonna do some side part action, and I'm loving the hair. This is the update. I'm done for tonight. I'm gonna come back and try to extend this video to give y'all like a finished look. But this is pretty much the gist of it. A little side part action. And I actually love the body wave, but tomorrow I'll try to put some actual curls in it and style it. But this is cute. Time for me to say goodnight or good morning, because it's 6 a.m. in the morning. You guys seen how I was trying to do the barrel curls. I cannot barrel curl to save my life. So we switched over to the flat iron, and yeah, this is the best that it's gonna get because I'm tired of curling. Yeah, this is the best that I can do. I probably won't curl it tomorrow before I go out, but as of now, this is the style. Like, this is it. I think it's super cute, and I love the Miss Two hair. It's so soft, like it's so soft and bouncy. So this is gonna be the finished look. I love the Miss Two hair. It's so soft and bouncy. I literally can't get over how soft it feels. I hope it stays this way for the next couple of days. I hope it doesn't like switch up on me, but yeah, I'm in love so far. Like, first impressions, I definitely go buy it again. So it's really good hair for a sew in, quick weave, whatever you want to do, girl. I would totally do this here on like a ponytail or half up, half down. I think it would do really, really well with that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this review of the Miss 2 hair from Amazon. Make sure you click that link down below so you can get yours too. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been such a long time. I'm so happy to be back making videos or trying to make videos. So make sure you show this one some love, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. To make sure that you don't miss the next time that I drop a video, you can turn your post notification bell on, and I will see y'all next time. I also want to give a huge shout out to Miss 2 hair because I'm absolutely loving it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.